If you're looking for the ultimate backyard upgrade this summer, this 8-in-1 giant inflatable water slide from Bountech is it. It's not just a water slide, it's a full-on mini water park. We're talking double slides, a bounce house, basketball hoop, water cannon, surf zone, climbing wall, splash pool, and more. Kids can jump, climb, slide, and race for hours. Perfect for birthdays, barbecues, or just keeping them off screens and having fun outside. Made with extra thick, puncture-proof Oxford cloth and double-stitch seams, it's super durable and holds up to 300 pounds. So even the bigger kids can get in on the action. It inflates in just 2 to 3 minutes and it even comes with the blower. We absolutely love this. My kids can play on this for hours. This was our favorite purchase last year and it is still holding strong. A year later, Bountech included everything you need, like a carrying bag, water pipes, stakes, patch kit, inflatable basketball ring toss set, and more. When it's time to pack up, just drain the water, open the vent, and use the blower to help dry it before rolling it up. This is hands down one of the best summer gifts to keep your kids moving, laughing, and making memories all season long. If you want to check it out, I've included the link in the description below.